This is my wife's car, and as you can see on the roof, you can see how it's fading pretty rough. So even though it's from 2009, we got the color to match the car, but obviously the whole vehicle, it's faded since 2009. But we're gonna paint it with the same original color on the top. So we're just on the top because the rest is fine for now. Probably won't match up 100%, obviously, because 2009, the original color's faded a little bit, but it's better than this turning into rust and causing any issues. So here's up close and personal. Here you can see the rest of the car, the paint. So let's get to work. Is done sanding. So phase 2, dried it off. We made it wet to get the dust off before we paint. Now I traced around the entire vehicle, and now we're going to tape off so we don't get paint where we don't want it to. But yeah, use magnets. This also helps keep it, with the little breeze going, it helps keep the other cover down and just gives me a nice little line for doing my tape. And we'll push this down a little bit, that way we can get everywhere that we need to get. And now we got our tape down just enough where it's not going to lift up. Everything is taped off. Now we do the next step, which is paint. The roof is done. Now I need to clear coat it once it dries. Keep in mind, I'm doing this as a temporary thing, eventually get the whole car repainted. So it's not gonna, that's why I don't care if it matches 100. It's just better than it rusting. If it rusts, then you got more issues. Clearly needs to cure. It needs to still finish drying, but it blends way better. And once it cures and we can give the car a wash, it's gonna blend much better. And now I don't have to worry about it rusting for a little bit.